Are you still buying yogurt at the store thinking it's good enough? What if I told you that store-bought yogurt is often loaded with unnecessary sugar and additives? If you're tired of that bland, overly processed taste, keep watching, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make rich, creamy homemade yogurt, perfect for your favorite parfaits. It's super simple and you have full control over the flavor and texture. You will never go back. This was my first time making yogurt and I was so glad that I filmed it. I was scared at first, because I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it, but it was so easy that it came out so perfect, guys. I gifted this small pack to my mom. As you can see, this is something you can just do and gift anybody you want to gift. And this one I enjoyed with my husband. You can also enjoy with your family. You can serve your yogurt, you can make your parfait anyhow you like it, just do you. So I used full cream milk. You can use any milk of your choice. If you're on a weight loss journey, then you can use instant filled milk. So in this video I used full cream milk, which I think was 400 grams, and I used everything. And you're going to be needing a yogurt that has a starter culture, okay? A yogurt that you love the taste, because exactly how the yogurt taste, that is how your yogurt is going to come out, okay? So I wasn't sure of this yogurt, but I tasted it before knowing which I was going to use. And you need your granola, of course, and you need your coconut flakes. I love this Daikin's coconut flakes. It is so nice. They have the sweetened one and the unsweetened one. They even have the spicy one, but I love the sweetened one. You can make use of any fruits of your choice, okay? In a large bowl, you pour in your full cream milk, your milk of choice, and you're going to boil water. You're going to boil water. The water has to be very hot, okay? So I added 4 cups of water into this milk, 4 cups of water, and I mixed it very well. I first of all added 3, which I had to mix very well to make sure that it was very, very smooth, and I added the other one to it later. So 4 cups of water and you're good to go. So I tested the yogurt and I preferred this particular one to the other one. So I'm going to be measuring half cup of this starter culture, this yogurt that has a starter culture. Don't forget, I added half cup to my milk. And when doing this, you need to be very fast. You don't need to waste time or be slow, because when your milk gets cold, then I don't know what you're going to be getting when it is cold. I've never tried it before, but you want to make sure that your milk is still hot, okay? So at this point, you're just going to cover it with a cling film wrap, or you use a foil paper just like I did in my video, and you're going to put it inside a nylon and make sure you tie it, and use a towel or a big wrapper that is thick, or anything that is thick. You can even use duvet and cover it with whatever it is you're using. You go ahead and put it in your oven or your microwave, any place that is dark that air cannot get to the place. Now I know what you might be thinking: is it making yogurt at home complicated and time consuming? That's exactly what the food industry wants you to believe, but the truth is it's super simple and you have full control over the flavor and texture. You won't need any fancy equipment, just your kitchen basics. So this is 15 hours after I put this in my oven, and I'm just going to bring it out because at this point I know my yogurt is ready and I don't want it to be sour, so I'm not going to leave it for long. Between 14 to 15 hours is okay, but if you want it to be a little bit sour, then you can leave it for like 17 to 18 hours. Some people leave it for like 20 hours. I think that one is over sabi abeg, but then 14 to 15 hours is perfect, very, very perfect. Let's see what our yogurt looks like by now. Yay! Just look at that gorgeous, creamy, perfect yogurt. I can't believe this. This is so nice. Just in 15 hours, we got this perfect yogurt. You can see how smooth it is. So you're just going to use your hand wicks to whisk this. I used my hand wicks, but it was not giving me the smooth texture that I want. So I just switched to my turning stick and it was so smooth. So for my parfait, this texture was very okay for me, but if you want it thicker, then you can put it into your cheesecloth and just drain out the water. And this is the point where you need to add sugar to it. That is if you want sugar, okay? But if you don't want sugar, then you can just go ahead and use it for your parfait like that, okay? But if you want it to be a little bit sweet, in between, then this is the point where you need to add sugar and you're going to whisk it. And just like that, you have made fresh homemade yogurt. No more store-bought disappointment. And this right here is the consistency that I prefer for my own parfait. But we are all different. You might want yours thicker and you might just like yours like this. So whichever one do you. Now here's the fun part, turning it into a delicious parfait. Layer your homemade yogurt with fresh fruits, crunchy granola, maybe a drizzle of honey if you like. The possibilities are endless. So just do what you prefer, what you like, how you want to layer it. Do you want to start with your yogurt before you put in your granola? Or do you want to put your granola first, just like I did in this video? Like me, I prefer to put my granola first, okay, and add in my yogurt, then add in my granola again and my coconut flakes, then top it up with my yogurt again, then add my granola again as topping and my fruits and my coconut flakes. Just anyhow you like to design it, just do it the way you like, okay? So I gifted this yummy goodness to my mom. You can make for yourself and your family. You can also make for your neighbors, okay? You can make it yourself and give it to anybody you want to give it to. Put it in your freezer. Enjoy yourself. I beg, please. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy healthy recipes, and ring the bell so you never miss out. See you next time.